everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I have a recipe that I made up. I had a box of brownie mix and I had an extra pie shell, so I decided I'm going to make a cross between brownies and a pie, so it'll be a brownie pie. So what I have here is a defrosted pre-made pie crust, and I'm going to blind bake it. That's why you see the rice in there. I don't have any baking beans, as you guys know I don't bake. So I'm going to go ahead, I have my oven set for 350 degrees. I'm going to put the rice in there with the parchment paper and cook that for about 25 minutes. Then I have to let it completely cool before I proceed with the recipe. Let me show you the ingredients. I've got mini marshmallows, it's something I made up. I'm using 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐊 Ultimate Chocolate Brownies. And I've got some pecans. Most people add walnuts, but I didn't feel like chopping them. Those are already chopped. For this recipe, you need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, so that's why I have 2 out. I don't think that's quite 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add Eagle brand condensed milk, my secret to all brownies. A regular brownie box, you would add 3/4 cup. I'm gonna decrease that to half. And on the back of that box, it said I can make this cake-like if I add 2 eggs, and instead of 1/4 cup of water, add 2 teaspoons, I believe, or tablespoons of water to this mixture. And then go ahead and add that to the pie shell that's been power baked, and then cook it for 40 to 45 minutes. My favorite cake is chocolate cake. It's the only cake I really like. So I figured I would cross match these, add some marshmallows just to give you guys something different and a quick recipe to make for your family. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause and get everything set up. Welcome to my channel, I'm Jennifer. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, I upload 2 videos a week and I always include inspirational quote and add a joke at the end. So let me get everything together. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've added my rice, and you pretty much want to weight it down so the pie crust doesn't puff up while it's power baking. Got it set at 350, and as you see, it is 9:27 at night. You know your girl's good for late night cooking. Been home all day and been procrastinating. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, pull it out, let it cool, and then we'll get started on the brownie mix. Okay everyone, my pie shell has completely cooled. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna take 1 box of the 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐊, yikes, brownie mix and add that. And then it calls for 2 eggs to make this cake-like. And I'm gonna, pull this down as I stir because I want you guys to see it better. I'm trying to do better angles with filming because I've only been filming 1 year for those of you who have been following me. And if you want some good laughs, look at my first videos. They were when I was in nursing school and I had to film to get my master's degree. You can see lights, everything. I didn't know where to place the lights. It was just my husband and I filming. So I do the best I can. And you guys know that I do not like cooking, those of you that are familiar with my channel. So I had to come up with something quick and easy to make to use this pie shell that I had. Now, like I said, I'm making this brownie mix into a cake type mixture instead of brownie. So it asks for 2 tablespoons of water and then 1/4 cup of oil. Now, I forgot to open, let me grab a knife. 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐊 comes with a special packet of some kind of syrup that adds with it that's supposed to make the brownies. Oh, this is something I don't like doing on film because last thing I want to have to do is leave and go to the ER. So let me put you guys on pause and get this open. Okay, I'm back. So you want to add this chocolate syrup type situation mixture that comes with the 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐊. And like I said, this isn't necessary if you want to buy Betty Crocker or anything like that. You don't need that. Just make sure you add the Eagle brand condensed milk. It'll keep it nice and soft. So I'm going to go ahead and add some nuts. This is 1/3 cup. I'm going to add 2 of these. Normally people use walnuts. I didn't feel like chopping them. And I don't know if I heard of anybody putting marshmallows in there, but I'm going to use 1 cup of marshmallows, baby ones. I'm going to go ahead, stir this up for you guys so you can see it. This is supposed to make the brownie mix more of a cake-like batter because I was worried about cooking it inside of a pie shell. I'm crossing brownies with a pie because this is really the only cake, like I said, I like the chocolate cake. And it's funny, when we got married, everybody was against the chocolate cake for a wedding cake. Plus I want chocolate frosting. Did not want white icing or frosting on my cake. So I had to go with carrot cake. I did a multi-layer, multi-tier cake with all different flavors. And I made the groom's cake. That was all chocolate, so pretty much that was for me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a whisk, which I have here. Maybe that'll make this easier to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Yeah, it is thicker without the extra water. I see that right now. Mixing this, as you see, trying to get this completely mixed up so it's more cake-like. But I was worried about the shell getting, I didn't want it soggy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause and really get this mixed up because this is gonna take some work. Just wanted to show you guys this is really a nightmare getting the marshmallows and all that out of there. Just look that. I'm doing the final mixing with my spatula. So you guys can see that yes, it's really, really thick, like a cake. And I've let my pie shell completely cool for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this in. Try and start turning. I'm trying to angle my camera better for you guys so you can see, I'm not new to making videos, but I'm new to being really good at camera angles and trying to make better videos. So I am trying. That's why those of you who followed me earlier, you see I've switched my angle to where the camera's in front of me and not on my side, so you guys can see pretty much exactly what I'm doing. I'm just scraping this all out, trying to get this every bit of, or as much of the pie filling I can get out of it. I'm gonna go ahead and spread this all the way to the corners. I'm gonna mash the marshmallows down in there. I didn't add a lot of marshmallows, just 1 cup. Like I said, this is a recipe I made up. I don't know if you'll find this on the internet or on TikTok or anything, but I just wanted to cross brownies with the cake inside of a pie shell because I love cookies and pies. I'm not really a baker. I do not like cake. I doubt if you guys will ever see any cakes on my channel other than the Dolly Parton cake that's already up and running. I'm gonna put you guys on pause. This is supposed to go 40 to 45 minutes. Then we'll come back and take a look at it, and then I'll tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. This is brownie pie mixed with marshmallows, miniature marshmallows. Who knew they would all float to the top? Well, let me tell you guys my joke. A man brings home his best buddy home from work, unannounced at 7:30 p.m. after work. His wife begins screaming and yelling at him, and his friend just sits and listens. His wife, why did you bring him home? My hair is not done, the house is a mess, the dishes are not done, I'm still in my pajamas, I can't be bothered with cooking tonight. Husband says, because he's thinking of getting married and I promised him a demo. Wow. Anyway, my husband and I don't have that problem. We work opposite shifts, and he knows I don't cook, so he knows if he's bringing somebody home, he has to bring dinner with him. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And once this cools, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. It smells absolutely delicious. It kind of gives you the thought of a s'more with the toasted marshmallows. Like I said, I thought they'd be mixed inside the brownie, but they were not. Each and every one of them floated to the top. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Please have a good evening. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. God bless.